everybody. How are you all? As usual, good? Very good. Today we are going to learn how to do stroke painting with acrylic paints. Okay? For this, you need acrylic paints, brushes, a palette to mix the colors, water container and a tissue paper, and of course an art sheet. Okay, I'll teach you how to do different type of strokes with flat brush. Okay, so let's start. Take green color. This is sap green and this is lemon yellow. This is acrylic paint. Okay, now we are going to take, and also I'm taking a flat brush. Dip this brush in water and just wipe it properly. Don't take excess water. Okay, I'm taking this green here and from this side yellow, and just do it like this. Again I'm dipping green and yellow. Okay, now let's take more green and lemon yellow. Again do the process of like this. Here I am doing, see the strokes, it's looking so nice. Okay, mix it like this. 2-3 times you have to do it like this. Now see the color, isn't it looking nice? I'm taking more paints and doing the process, same process. See, it's looking like a leaf, isn't it? More paint I'm taking, lemon yellow, mixing, and now see. See, this is stroke painting using flat brush. Hope you like this. Okay, so we will meet in our next class. Okay, till then, bye.